Hello, this is how to put easily and isolate, how to isolate the door of your garage, the door of the garage, and all that I did is buy protective polystyrene 1 meter piece, which has cost me €1. €1, alright. So all I had to do was stick through the bottom of the door. You see here, I just, alright, okay, I just cut the 3 pieces and stuck him down there to isolate the garbage door. Now I'm going to close it to show you how. So the cold will not pass through the bottom of the door. So no glue needed, nothing but this little polystyrene thing, which is used for wires or to hide plumber stuff, and so €1 each, 1 meter, 3 pieces, and the garage door is isolated. Cheap, easy, and I did it in 5 minutes.